Designed and manufactured here in the United States, AprilAire's Whole-Home Humidifier Model 800 is the steam-powered solution for dry air inside your home. The Model 800 is unique for its delivery of steam humidification. Steam is ideal for desert and arid climates, or for larger homes that require significant amounts of humidification. With a variable capacity that will add 11 to 34 gallons of moisture to your home per day, the Model 800 will humidify homes up to 6,200 square feet. Providing a variety of health benefits, in-home humidification has been proven to reduce the incidence of respiratory infections, dry skin, and static shock. AprilAire, trusted solutions for a healthy home.